All right, guys, I got her on. I got the shims in. I got it centered up left and right and up and down. Per the instructions, I used a measurement. I kind of just used the same hole. Here, put my measuring tape here. I measured to the top of the liftgate lid on both sides. And then I just used this space right here from the side fender to the inner bumper here for my left and right. You tighten up those bottom bolts there with the two shims in place on both sides, and that kind of gets your up and down. And then this right here gets you your left and right, because all those bolt holes are slightly elongated. One issue I am having, like I said earlier, they didn't send, this was the wrong bolt that got sent here, which was this bolt here. And then in the Ziploc bag for the quote little nameplate, but what actually holds it to the bumper face, which is tight against the vehicle, these screw into two pre-existing nuts that are welded to the frame. And then here they wanted you to put these bolts and nuts through. Well, one issue is, I mean, it's a different style bolt, which is kind of an other, but then it doesn't really even fit through the hole. It's too large, and it doesn't even, the nut they supplied with it. So yeah, I don't know if they're packing these hardware packs in-house or what the deal is, but hey, it's real minor. I'm just pointing it out so you don't pull your hair out worried about hardware. I can go get 2 flange bolts and some nuts and washers as appropriate, and I'm sure they'd send them to me as well. But just so you're not thinking you're crazy, I have ran into a few hardware issues myself.